This is Leviathan, the ghost of the ocean and the main character of my story, The New Genesis Leviathan. As his name suggests, he is an ocean spirit. An ocean spirit with a lot of unique abilities. In my story, I name my abilities, so the name of Leviathan's ability is Water Dog Soma, and that roughly translates to Axolotl's body. It's kind of like a play on words. What that means is his abilities focus on manipulating different parts of his body. His main go-to ability being manipulating his blood. So he has 4 styles of this ability. One of the abilities being shoot style, which we see him doing here. He can shoot out his blood in like an energy blast sort of way. The second one being solid style, where he can solidify his blood into weapons and really anything. He usually goes for a sword because swords are cool. Third form being whip style, where he can swing around with it like Spider-Man, or just use it as a whip. I don't have a picture of this, but you can use your imagination. Fourth form, stay with me, is mutation style. So Leviathan has 2 different types of blood. He has blue blood and he has pink blood. The blue blood is the normal blood that you see him use in the other 3 forms. The pink blood, once it mixes with your blood cells, it mutates you. Not only does it mutate you, but when it mixes with your blood, you are now under his control. Moving on from his blood abilities, he also can control his severed limbs, and with that, he has super regeneration, or instant regeneration, and grows back immediately. With these severed limbs, clones can also grow from them, but you didn't hear that from me. One of my favorite abilities of his is his intangibility. He can't be touched. There are limits to this, but I won't go into those limits. If you remember at the start of this video, he is called the Ghost of the Ocean, so that's where this ability stems from. And with this, he can phase through anything, and I mean anything, so he can phase through the air. That ability doesn't make sense, but it is the coolest thing. I saw it from Chainsaw Man, and I thought it is amazing. Lastly, I am willing to share with you his soul corruption. With all of these abilities, he is able to mix them and create new abilities. I won't go too into depth, but if you've been listening, you can kind of guess which 2 abilities create this soul corruption ability. So yeah, yapping over. Hope that answers your question. I get this question a lot, and I yap more and more every time I answer it, so yeah.